Go on.
Are you ready? Okay, everybody calm down.
Okay,
remember-
too nice.
Remember we're gonna
Papa.
do Sailor first. So let's see if we can find Sailor. Wait, let's see if we can find Sailor.
Right there.
Sailor! Sailor!
Look, Sailor, it's for you. It's for you, little Sailor girl.
Mine now?
I'm gonna hold it for you.
Oh, many candies! What is that?
Yeah,
I don't know. Does it have a name on it? Oh, it says Jesus loves me. Look. I don't know who this is for, but I think it's for Sailor. Look. Okay, wait. Let's try to
Sailor
find.
likes her package.
Look at these. All these coloring books are from Miss Annie.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, look. Look.
It says coloring book, Mel.
You threw it back there.
I don't care about that.
Princess Run!
Nice!
Now, this might be from Ruthie. Ruthie, look. Let's do Ruthie's. How about that?
Ruthie
Close
Grace!
this up. And we'll do Ruthie's first, and then we'll get yours. That Ruthie. Ruthie, that's your very own little bear. It says Jesus loves me.
Aww.
Ruthie, open them. Open it.
I can try to open it.
Yeah. Show her how to open it. Ruthie, here's your present. Let her open it. Show her.
Actually. And then the tie the knot.
Ruthie, look. Ruthie Grace, it has your name on it. It's for you. Open it.
I'm gonna open it first.
She just likes your teddy. Look. These are for you, Ruthie. Tear it open. Tear it open.
Mom!
Let Ruthie do it. Let Ruthie do the rest.
Good, Ruthie Grace.
Good. Tear it open. Look. What is it? What's in there?
What is it, Ruthie Grace?
It's a box. Looks like there might be something in it. Look.
Look, Ruthie.
Ruthie, look what's inside.
Look.
Look. Look what's inside. Oh, little candies. And a little Hello Kitty. Look.
We have only one.
No, but this one is cute. It has a little pink scarf and like little antlers.
Okay.
Oh,
She knows what that is.
It's a music box.
Aw, Ruthie Grace.
Another one.
Ruthie, another one.
No way.
Let her do it. Look, another one.
Can I tear it open first?
You want one of those? Open the candy. Oh, that looks yummy.
Ruthie, look.
Look, can
Ruthie,
you say
look.
Thank you.
Look at what Claire has.
Look.
Look.
Is that for you? It's for you, Ruthie Grace. It's your own little picnic basket. It's a picnic basket, Ruthie. You can put food in it. Look.
She just wants to. It's amazing how she knows what that is.
Goodness.
I don't really ever give her M&M's.
You like it? Let's get her M&M's next time.
Look at Sailor. She grabbed her reindeer. She's so smart. Knows how to use her hands now.
Okay, ready? Okay, you can probably stop it and do it in another section.